a little bit of a mail call video because I picked up a few things from Banggood, Amazon, and from GoPro, which you see right here, the Media Mod. Now, I was the last one to get this, even though I was the first one to order it. But you know how it goes. That's just the way it is. Anyway, this is something that's been long overdue from GoPro. I mean, that last thing they had for the Hero 5, 6, and 7. Here's the module itself. There's the microphone right there. And on the back of it, it's real nice. It's got a mic jack, a pass-through for charging and extracting the files off, and it's got a mini HDMI out port right there. So that's really nice right there. That you don't actually even have to ever take it off if you don't want to. If you don't want to access the memory card, you can do everything through the app and go right through the micro C port right here, the USB-C port right there. And then it's got some cold shoes on here for you could slip on lights or microphones. This is a really nice thing. Now, your GoPro's not going to be waterproof when you have this on, so you have to keep that in mind. But, you know, I don't go out in the rain too much anyway, so yeah, this thing is pretty nice. I think it was like $79. And the microphone sounds real decent, so I'm kind of happy with this. And then if I want to try something different, I have those other mics I can just slip right on there and plug right in. But you know, that other thing that they had for this was just a complete, it was that big brick, and you had to, you know, Velcro it onto something underneath your hat or above your hat. And mine, I mean, the thing was $50 for the mic adapter for the Hero 5, 6, and 7. That thing was $50, and the only problem with it was you never knew if it was actually going to work or not. Mine worked sometimes, but you would never know if it wasn't working until the video was done shooting. Then you listen to the video back, and there's no sound. You know, so it was, that thing was a pile of junk completely. But anyway, so there it is, the Media Mod. Okay, up next from Ulanzi, the great Ulanzi, is this protective bag. I got two of them because I'm going to put my Hero 7 in one. But this is actually made for the Osmo Action. It's just a bag to keep the dust out and all that crap right there. There it is. Beautiful. Fits right in there. Covers it up. And I got this other one here for the Hero 7. I'm going to put that in there because, you know, these cameras, the form factor is so close that something like this, the Hero 7 will just pop right in there, you know, no problem. So I don't think that's an issue. And this was only like $3.95 for these bags. These were from Banggood. I'll put a link in there so you can check them out if you want. Okay, next up for the Hero 8 is a rubber glove right there. So you would take the Hero 8 and you would just pop it in there, and right there it is. This was like $4, I think. It was real cheap. It's a Ulanzi product, but the bag ripped when I opened it up the first time. And then it also has a little cover over there for the lens protector. So, yeah, that's pretty neat. And then everything's exposed. The microphones you can get to the microphone right there in the front. You see it? So, there's one on the side here too. So, I mean, you would use something like this if you were in the extreme conditions, you know. Not just rain, but, you know, snowboarding and all that other mumbo jumbo. But I only bought it because it was so cheap. And who knows, maybe one of these days I'll use it for something. I'll put it in the storage for now in my camera box. But it's a very nice cover, I could tell you that. The next thing is this little Force One stunt rider. It's a flying action figure. See that? I've had a few of these types of things. I always wind up giving them away, but there it is right there. And it has some different configurations to it. You can see he's hanging on there, and then, you know, they got paraglide mode and hoverboard mode. And there it is. You know, so it's got 3 speed modes. So we'll get into that here shortly. That looks like a winner, okay? Next up, we've got the SEMA W1 Pro. And I'm not going to do a complete taking it out, but I am going to let you see what it looks like. It's a little beefy. It's not real light like you would think. And it does come with 2 batteries. Let me get the scale real quick, which I'm going to probably wind up doing this again when I do the unboxing and setup, but I'll do it right here for you right now. 246 grams. So it's actually under, which is surprising. It feels a lot heavier than it actually is. So there you go, 246 grams, no number needed. Wow. So that was pretty cool. And last but not least, my favorite item of this whole deal is the drone strobe light from Ulanzi. Right there. And this thing is nice as heck, man. I'm telling you. Comes with some Velcro for you. Comes with a charging cable. It's a USB-C. And there's the light itself. And this thing was $16. Just so you know what the price on it is. There it is right there. There's the built-in Velcro piece right there. And then there's the strobe itself. And I'm going to show you the strobe, and I'm going to turn it on and go through the motions with it. You press the button, and it comes on and defaults to this red. Then every time you hit the button, it'll go into a different mode. So you got the flashing red there, then hit it again, and it flashes that way. Hit it again, then it goes to green. Then it progresses into the green, the different modes. Press it again and it's white. Press it again and then it goes through the progression of the white strobes. And then you just hold it in to turn it off. Right like that. So there you go. And now I'm seeing spots. Okay, so anyway, the USB charge port. Let me find it here for you since I can't see now. Oh, here it is. Whew. It's under this little door right here. You lift up this little door right here. Right there. You lift up that little door and you plug that in. And when you do, when you plug the charge cable in there, a little blue light will come on. I believe it's blue. Let me see. I got a battery here real quick. This little blue light comes on there when you plug it in. And then when that blue light goes out, it's charged. Then you'll know it's charged when that blue light goes out. So, and this is from what it said on the Banggood website where I got this for the $16. It says it's FAA approved, so it meets the requirements of the brightness and the strobing and all that other mumbo jumbo. So for $16, it's a hell of a lot cheaper than some of them Luma deals I seen. Them things were like $100. I was like, okay, that's not happening. Okay, I'm not paying no $100 for some little strobe light. But leave it to Ulanzi to pull one out of their rear ends for $16.95. Okay, I'll put a link in there where you can get that strobe. So All right, guys. And then I'm going to, of course, probably make a video with the Mavic Mini. Putting the strobe on top of the Mavic Mini like that. You know. So, that'll look pretty cool. And maybe a hard-boiled egg on the top of the strobe. How about that? Or the strobe on the hard-boiled egg. I don't know. One or the other, okay? All right, guys. There you go. There's the mail call. I'm going to get working on that SEMA. All right, guys. Have a nice day. Out of the glare of the sun. Okay.